This video will walk you through how to use the Smeg Microwave Oven, Air Fry and Grill. From preparing it for its first use to mastering the various cooking modes, the chef automatic programs and helpful features such as quick start and multi-step cooking. Before you begin cooking, remove all the internal accessories and run the oven function at the highest temperature for 30 minutes. Ensure the room is well ventilated. You may notice a slight scent during the first heat up, which is completely normal. It's the last traces of manufacturing residue being burnt away. Once the process is done, your microwave is ready for everyday use. Once the microwave has been turned on at the power source, it's time to set the clock. The time will flash and the clock symbol will appear on the display. Then turn the dial to set the hour, press the dial in to confirm. Repeat this process and set the minutes. Push the dial in again to confirm. Using the Smeg Microwave Oven is intuitive. You can scroll through each cooking mode using the central control dial. Each function is designed to support a wide range of daily tasks. The microwave mode offers fast and efficient heating, perfect for reheating leftovers, warming soups, melting chocolate or butter. The grill function is ideal for achieving colour and texture, browning lasagna, crisping bacon, finishing garlic bread, or melting the top of a pasta bake. The fan assist oven setting makes baking and roasting remarkably accessible in a compact space. Ideal for roasting vegetables, chicken, cakes, or even a tray of cookies. The AirFry mode is well suited for crisping breaded fish, frozen chips, chicken wings, spring rolls, or homemade potato wedges. And if you need speed and great texture at the same time, combination cooking blends microwave technology and convection grill or heat. The microwave also includes an extensive chef menu, which removes the guesswork from everyday cooking. Press the dedicated chef menu button and select the food category that matches what you're preparing. The options range from meat and poultry to vegetables, bread, cakes, sweets, and pizza. Once you've chosen your category, select the automatic program that suits the dish and enter the weight. The microwave will calculate the ideal sequence for you. Whether you're cooking a pasta bake through to the centre, crisping the base of a pizza, roasting a small chicken, or steaming vegetables to the perfect texture. Even though the programs are highly accurate, it's best to check the food once the cycle ends, as ingredients and cookware may vary. For dishes that require more than one stage of cooking, the multi-step function is particularly useful. This allows you to program 2 stages that run automatically back to back. You might defrost a homemade soup, then switch straight to microwave for reheating. Start a jacket potato with microwave heat and finish it with fan assist. Or take a frozen fish pie from cold to perfectly cooked by combination microwave heating with a final oven stage. To set this up, choose your first function and adjust the settings. Before you start cooking, press the plus button to add the second stage and input the details for that mode. If your second step involves fan assist, the appliance will pause once it reaches temperature, allowing you to confirm before it proceeds. This ensures precision and prevents overheating, while still giving you complete control. When using the fan, air fry and grill function, the grill rack must be used for best results. Wherever possible, ensure the turntable is activated for optimal browning. Ensure the grill rack and metal trays are not inside the appliance when any microwave programs are activated. With its intuitive controls, range of cooking modes and thoughtful automatic features, the MOC02 is designed to make everyday cooking easier, faster and more enjoyable. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel.